200,000 people watched my last video on machines quietly making people rich. And the top comment was, "We want more." So I went digging again and found 7 machines on Amazon that everyday people are using to build real income streams. So in this video, I'm gonna break down exactly what each machine does, how much it costs, and how others are turning them into income, step by step. And I'm also sharing a money bonus tip because no one's coming to fund your life for you. So this video, just so you guys know, is not one of those get rich quick videos. These are real examples that worked because people put in the effort. Results are not guaranteed and the income depends on you. But if you ever wonder, could I really do this? This video is gonna show you what's possible. And I've saved the best one for last. Be sure to stick around. You guys ready to get into it? Let's go. All right, number 7 is for all the creatives out there, and it's called a Polymer clay conditioning machine. Now this clay machine is basically a pasta machine that turns hard polymer clay into smooth sheets. Now artists use this machine to condition clay for earrings, keychains, and figurines and sell them online like Tammy Dean. Now she built a successful business earning $8,000 a month from something she just started as a hobby. Her keychains sell from $15 to $20. And Tammy, she built her community by posting behind the scenes footage of her just creating these keychains through her Reels, TikTok, and on YouTube. And in tandem, that advertised her store for her and started ranking in the sales. This is how she was able to be so successful. This all started from a clay machine that cost $39 on Amazon. And she's making $8,000 a month. Like I said, these results are not typical, but to understand the business model on how she set this up and was able to make money, it's important to understand. I'm gonna put her video in the description below, how she breaks down how she actually does make $8,000 a month. Number 6 is the Brother SE700, and this is a combination sewing and embroidery machine. This machine has 135 built-in embroidery designs, 10 fonts for monograms, 103 sewing stitches, and it has great reviews. People are turning machines like this into profitable side hustles by customizing everything from sweatshirts, tote bags to patches. Kita Dervishi bought an embroidery machine and started embroidering lyric-inspired designs on TikTok. One of her videos went viral with 4 million views and generated over 300 orders from that one video. And within a year, her shop, Soulmate Customs, surpassed 1 million in sales. And another entrepreneur, Kaylee Golden, launched a no minimum custom patch service, and within 18 months, she was bringing in about $6,500 per month. Those numbers show there's serious money that can be made in embroidery if you pair the machine with clever marketing. So I'm gonna link the machine in the description below so you guys can check it out. Next up is using Paintless dent repair tools, also known as PDR. This is a niche service that removes minor dents from vehicles without repainting it. Now, I know this isn't necessarily like a machine, but this is a tool that can and is making people a lot of money. And watching it is just like strangely satisfying. And it racks up millions of views on YouTube and TikTok. You don't ever have to even show your face, just record your work and people are glued. So you're not just making money from the actual service, you can also turn the camera on and make a passive income from content. And there are people asking, well, what tools do you use? Get affiliate links from Amazon of the products that you use and just share them. If someone buys from your link, you earn a commission. So you guys wanna learn how to use the Amazon affiliate program, I did a whole video tutorial on and I'm gonna link it up here so you guys can see how that works. But that is 3 ways of making money with this one tool. Now, let's talk numbers. A lot of PDR techs charge anywhere from $150 to $500 per dent, depending on the size and location. Some techs make $1,000 a day. So how do you learn it? There are hands-on training programs across the United States, and some even include starter kits and job placement help. You can also find solid beginner tutorials right here on YouTube University. So start there and practice this and build a portfolio. Once people see your results, they're gonna pay you to fix what the body shop would charge double for. This is a new service, but it's high demand and low competition. Just think about how many people do you know doing this? Exactly. Dan Ontrop built his business in 2011 doing this, where now his company generates over $3 million in gross revenue. A single hailstorm season added over $100,000 in additional revenue for him. Now I'm gonna put the products PDR techs use in the description below so you can check it out and see if this is right for you. Now, this next one isn't a machine, but it's one of the best businesses that I've heard of. And I had to mention it in this video because the whole point of this video is to help you make more money. And I just interviewed Andy all day on my channel, and he found a real problem that businesses struggle with, and built a simple system that brings him in $400 per client. And listen to how many clients he has.
I have over 105 businesses that pay us every single month for access to implementing this inside of their business.
That's $40,000 a month he's making, and he literally walked us through the entire process of the system that he created to help local businesses get more leads. The number one problem most businesses have, and the one thing that they are willing to pay for it to increase. So if you guys want to watch that video, I'm going to put it in the description below so you can find out how Andy does it and how you can too. Next up is a Cricut machine. Now these are widely popular because they cut hundreds of materials: paper, vinyl, leather, even thin balsa wood. The latest Explorer 4, it sells for $229, and crafters are turning these machines into mini manufacturing plants. Laurel May, for example, started a stationery shop on Etsy during the pandemic and now has over 28,000 sales. She saved up for her Cricut Explorer, and suddenly she could produce stickers, bookmarks, notepads, and pins, which significantly increased her sales. She advises setting clear sales goals and not comparing yourself to others. Many makers sell custom decals, vinyl t-shirt transfers, wedding signage, and party decorations, and like personalized labels. And because vinyl and cardstock are pretty inexpensive, the margins are really high when it comes to this. So you can also sell digital cut files or teach workshops. Multiple streams of income from one machine. Next is a machine I had to mention again because of the possibilities, and that is the Creality K2 3D printer. It's on the pricier side of $1,299, but what you can do with this is out of this world. This printer can pump out planners, prototypes, game pieces, cosplay props, you name it. And 3D printing isn't just a hobby. Ultimate 3D Printing Store now does $330,000 in sales a month, just like 3D Universe. Even solo entrepreneurs like mechanical engineer Scott Tarsi use a printer and CAD skills to make about $96,000 a year offering 3D printing services. So whether you sell finished products on Etsy, provide prototyping services, or design your own product line, the revenue potential is enormous. So I'm gonna put the link in the description below so you guys can check it out and learn more about it. Next is something that you may have never thought about before, and that's a commercial gum removal machine. Chew gum is everywhere, on sidewalks, under tables, in parking garages, everywhere. And gum removal machines, they melt gum away using steam and biodegradable cleaners. Commercial gum removal machines like the Karcher SG2, they sell for $4,850 according to the Southeastern Equipment listings. Now these machines are not cheap and they are not on Amazon. But I did want to mention it because I know this is not something that people have heard of before, and just wanted to share this because this is a real way people are making money. So companies and municipalities will pay to keep entryways, sidewalks, and indoor carpets gum-free. And since the equipment is specialized, there's little competition. So offer your services to shopping centers, schools, stadiums, or property management firms. And I recommend going to them before you even think about purchasing the machine and say, if you see a big gum problem, tell them what you can do for them and let them know what the service is charged for. If they have buy-in with you, then go in, and then that will give you the confidence to buy the machine knowing that you have clients waiting. A Toronto company, GTA Gum Removal, they reportedly earned around $100,000 in revenue during their first year, while a smaller firm, Gum Blasters, made about $25,000 annually providing this service. So pricing for service clients is often around $200 to $600 per cleaning site, depending on the size and complexity. Do your research ahead of time to see if this could be a viable income stream for you. And last but not least, it's technically a machine, and that's a drone designed for real estate photography. The Phoenix drone costs about $449, and this is a moneymaker because real estate listings with aerial photos sell 68% faster than those without. And drone photographers typically charge $100 to $500 per hour and $150 to $550 per property, with premium rates for larger homes or golden hour shoots. A standard package of 10 to 15 photos plus video runs $300 to $600, and you can upsell virtual tours, 3D mapping, or rush delivery. Demand is growing, and 7 in 10 real estate agents say that drones, videos, and virtual staging have become more important since the pandemic. And 83% of home sellers prefer to hire an agent who uses drone photography. So there is a reason to get into this. And like I said before, the market is not saturated because do you know 5 people doing this? If the answer is no, then there is room for you. Beyond real estate, the same drone can be used for weddings and roof inspections. So if you want to use drone footage commercially for real estate clients or monetize YouTube videos, you must hold a FAA Part 107 certificate, which is a Pilot Institution Aviation STEC exchange. This is the only only legal way to fly a drone for business in the US. Violating this can result in fines, and YouTubers have been penalized for unlicensed commercial drone use. So you must make sure you take care of that first. One operator shared that he earned $3,500 per month flying his drone for real estate. But again, this takes marketing the service, building relationships with realtors, and maintaining FAA compliance. So if you guys are interested in this, I'm gonna put the link in the description below so you can get it from Amazon. So what did you guys think? Which machine would you wanna get? If you guys made it to the end of this video, I love to see who sticks around until the end of my video. So let me know if any machines piqued your interest, and comment the word nice so I can see who actually stayed until the end of my videos. I love to see who sticks around. And if you guys want to hear from Andy to see how he was able to build his business that I was talking about earlier, this is the video to watch. This is the business to start. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.